Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, and so back again with another great amazing video. Actually, this video today is all about mockups. Some of you guys jump into mockups and grab some mockups. Not only you guys, me too experience sometimes whereby I just find the workflow is a little bit like tied up. So I just wanna go and grab some mockups, use it on my workflow. After that, boom, done. Now there are things which there are greatness about mockups, and there are things which actually they are really annoying whenever you're using a mockup. Now today I'll be just break it down. The things which are the benefits of the mockups, they get your workflow done ASAP, and they just sweet on your workflow like tasty, really tasty, and you're like, whoa, what's this? And the clients will be like, that's good. And another kind of stuff, downside of the mockups is that you have used somebody else graphics assets, you have used somebody else a thing which it might be free but still it's acknowledged by somebody else. Now today I'm going to teach you how you can just do it on your own. You can design your own mockups. I know this may take you a bunch of times, but it's something which it may be a light savior. Clicking new, we get the dialogue, then we just go directly to film. Because I want something like 1080p, which is so great. So select 1080p, just change the resolution to 300 and just click create. After that, you get your good stunning layout with the ruler guides. You can click control arrow. If you're using a Mac, you can just click command arrow, and it's not a click but pressing a button. So I'm like over the mouse. So let me just get started here. It depends with how you want your layout to look like mine. I just want it to look a little bit like grayish. They say boys don't know colors. Definitely sometimes I go colorblind, and yeah, so I just select some random colors here from the color palette, like boom. That's a good convenience color. So we just take this kind of shape which is square, just put your square here because we're making a mockup which is quite not that much terrifying. It's simple. So I want to show you inside this mockup we're using something like a clipping mask, which we can drag it there so as it can look definitely like a mockup. Not like a mockup, it's a mockup. Adjust your square. If you don't want it, it looks like paper. Then after that, go and find an image. So let me just grab an image here. Let us just use perhaps Venom. No, that's so ugly. Venom, you guys, you'll run away. Yeah, TNT, Turtles Mutant Ninja. So let us just grab this image, keep it here. After that, just control T. Now if you ask me about clipping mask, let me redo it again because I was so fast on that. Just go to this layer, which is an image, hold Alt, you'll see a checkbox, or right click on the layer, just find something called clipping mask. Create clipping mask, hit clipping mask, boom, you're done. Now control T or command T if you're using a Mac. Adjust your image how it looks like you see now it's starting coming up, but hold up, wait, no, not yet. Now I love merging layers. Since I won't be adjusting anything here, I want to keep it permanent, so I just right click it, go to this layer, hold on to merge layers. You know, sometimes you may right click it here, so don't right click it there on the second layer, which is rectangle. Just when you right click it and say merge, sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it works. So to be actually sure, just right click it from the upper side of the layer, which is having a clip, not a clipping mask, but which is having a smart object. It will be great. So merge layers. After that, now double click on that, or just right click it and go to blending option. So let me just grab blending option. So after that, there's something called bevel and emboss. Hit that, bevel and emboss. Now you can see your image right now is starting to have some features at the back of it. Now there's contour, there's texture. Now we don't need any texture, we just need bevel and emboss. Now we can go outer smooth, but we need outer bevel, just like that. Now outer bevel, it shares with you guys like a shadow. Now you have a box, squared box, and it shares with you like a shadow, and you'll be like, whoa, this is a shadow with the depth. Doesn't look like shadow from the depth of shadow. Now after that, just you can just adjust the size, but the size, keep it minimal, then just keep it soften. Then opacity is supposed to be a little bit smoother. Don't put a lot of opacity like that, just minimize opacity, then click OK. Now as you can see, you can rotate your stuff this way. Now keep it somewhere here, and duplicate another card, and right click the card and just adjust it here. So click all of them, put all of them at the center, Control T, don't forget about that, just keep them at the center like that. Then you can just put anything you want, like a number or something. It's a card, so we can just like put a number, like number 1. Just it here. Then just we need to bold it, bold it. Take number 1, card 1, right click it, keep it somewhere here. Yeah, that looks cool. Then just adjust it, make sure that it's right on the angle. To be sure, you can nod your head like me. Yeah, you can just do it. You do something which is so, it's weird though, but it brings something which is so creative. So don't just like, Abdul is nodding his head. What is he doing? Is he looking to us from the other side? So just take the number, bring it here, same as the position which it was. Control T for quick transform and rotate your subject still here. Minimize it a little bit, just minimize it a little bit, and keep it there. So press T for text, Control A or Command A, change the number to 2. Click here, you get your figure number, which it's there. Now to keep this stuff very shining and greatness, I'll just use the same image and we can do some blurry on it, like definitely blurry. Now keep your image here and just control and the braces, pop till you see your image there. Now go directly to filter, blurry, then Gaussian blur. Now just use some Gaussian blur like this way, just adjust it till you reach, perhaps you give it till here. Yeah, now as you can see, you're having a great kind of mock-up with you. Now you can do something which is so great. If you want to reuse the same mock-up with other kind of stuff, you can just right click it, make sure that you rasterize your layer, and so as we can rasterize all the effects, so as the layer won't be affected anymore with like all the effects which are there. Now right now, just right click, just head to the convert to smart object, and this one just do the same, convert to smart object, double tap on the smart object. You can see your card. You can just do this way, find another different image, take it like this one so that I can share with you guys. You can see something. Now enlarge your image, do the clipping mask, save it, go back to your layout, you'll see the card is actually there. So this is how you can make a great combination of your own kind of mockups to be so stunning, so as you can be like making your own kind of mockup for cards, for anything which you want, for mobile devices. Thank you guys for watching. If you love this video, make sure that you hit that thumbs up. If you didn't get subscribed, make sure that you subscribe to your homeboy here. I really appreciate that. And another kind of thing, I really thank you guys for this kind of journey. We have been like through a lot of things with you guys, sharing a lot of experience, doing this and that, tackling this and that. So I really appreciate you. Without you guys, I couldn't be here today making out this kind of content. So as you guys, you can get it ASAP. So yeah, that's what's up. So I'll be signing out and I'll be catching you guys on the next video. Peace. Stay creative. Can I just peace.